Today I am sharing quick and healthy masala oats packed with fiber, protein and various nutrients. So let's get to the recipe. To make this masala oats, first I'm adding stone pressed mustard oil. The reason I'm using stone pressed oil as it retains more nutrients and is less processed. Thus ideal to cooking in stone pressed or wood pressed oil. Once it is heated, I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Once jeera is splattered, it's time to add half inch of finely chopped ginger. Next, add 2 garlic cloves, also known as lesson. Next, I'm adding fresh curry leaves, following by half finely chopped onion. Add green chilies, as I already mentioned in my previous videos that I don't prefer that you use red chilies in your food, so make sure that you use green chili as much as you can. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, carrot, capsicum, also known as bell pepper or shimla mirch. Next, I'm adding tomatoes, and lastly add rock salt or pink Himalayan salt and mixed all them. The reason I'm using vegetables in my oats, as our body made up of 70% of water, so it's very important to add more vegetables and watery rich food in our diet so that we can easily get more benefits from our food, as food is a very important component of our life. So make sure that we eat it joyfully. Heat the vegetables at low flame so that it retains more nutrients. I am adding half cup of rolled soaked oats as it reduces phytates contained for better digestion and for better assimilation of food. Mixed all it and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once it's cooked, it's time to add a pinch of homemade garam masala. If you want the recipe, please comment your comments in the comments so that I will upload the video of homemade garam masala. Add some fresh coriander and serve your masala oats. These oats are great in your diet and fitness journey. Enjoy this recipe and this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.